Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to delete characters in Character AI app and website. Okay, first things first, there's no proper way to delete the character from the website. But there is a workaround that essentially replaces this old character with a new one. For that, go to Edit Character and change the details like its name, opening praise, image, and description. After you are done changing this, just click on Save. For the final step, just go to the character menu and click Save and Start New Chat. Now, you have essentially gotten rid of the unwanted character and replace it with a new one of your choice. This allows you to reduce the clutter on your profile. The steps for the website are almost exactly the same for you to follow. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now delete characters in Character AI app and website. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!